everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Shauna and this is your spot for DIYs, for product reviews, for tips and tricks on how to take care of your naturally kinky, coily, curly hair. And one of the reasons I wanted to do this channel is because there's such a wide diversity within the curly hair community. All different types. Some individuals have wavy hair, some individuals have curly hair, loose curls, tight curls, and there are others that are like me that have afro, kinky, coily, curly hair. And I just wanted to really talk about something I feel very passionately about. I love talking about how to take care of our hair using natural ingredients for strengthening and nourishing our hair, and really kind of looking into things like rice water and onion juice for strengthening hair and promoting hair growth and things like that. So if that's your thing, this is the channel, this is the spot. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I plan to release a new video every Thursday where we talk about those types of things. I also recently added ayurvedic hair care into my regimen. I've personally been very pleased with the results, and I'd like to share some of those tips and tricks with you as well, and I hope that you will also be able to benefit from all the things that I've learned throughout the years on my natural hair journey. Take care. See you next week.